Tonga counters. And
Oh, look out. She's setting up for an air raid. Oh, no, instead.
All over for Tessa Blanchard if she nails this move. That's it.
Oh, no.
Kick to the back of Savannah Evans.
She got all of that axe kick, and now she's going for form of the air.
Lands right on the knee, and here he goes. On
Anticipation. Here we go. Oh, Eli Drake was.
Line just levels Mia Yim and going for the air raid crash. This time.
Oh, look at this. Sheamus. 450 pounds. What noise.
Oh, man, she's gonna dump. Gail's gonna dump her.
Romeo caught him, and he calls.
Toronto goes to that DDT one more time. No! Catches him. The kryptonite.
Oh no. Elgin counters.
Elgin's
Oh my
got her.
God.
He's got her.
No. Oh, Lynch air raid crash.
Roughing up Brian Kendrick.
Look at that deep high crotch. We saw this move already.
Here's the cover. Look.